Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your home with Nationwide Realtors, full guide step by step clearly. Protecting your home is crucial for your peace of mind. Start by assessing the current security measures in place at your home. Check all windows and doors to ensure they are securely locked and in good condition. Consider installing deadbolt locks for added security on exterior doors. Next, evaluate your home's lighting. Install motion-activated lights around entry points to deter intruders. Now, let's focus on surveillance systems. Invest in a quality security camera system that you can monitor remotely. Position cameras to cover all entry points and common areas. Additionally, consider installing a doorbell camera for added visibility. Next, evaluate your landscaping. Trim back bushes and trees that may provide cover for potential intruders. Opt for thorny shrubs near windows to create a natural barrier. Now, let's look at alarms. Install a comprehensive alarm system that covers entry points and windows. Regularly test the system to ensure it is functioning properly. Engage with nearby homeowners or a neighborhood watch group for increased security awareness. Keep a record of all valuable items in your home for insurance purposes. Consider using a safe for important documents and irreplaceable items. Evaluate your insurance policy, ensure it covers home security threats. Consult a Nationwide Realtor for insights into local security trends and recommend. Network with your realtor to understand the crime rate in your area and potential safety measures. Finally, maintain a routine in which you periodically check and update your home security. Stay proactive and vigilant about your home's protection. With these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your home. Feel confident in your investment and in creating a safe environment for you and your family. Reach out to your local Nationwide Realtor for personalized guidance on securing your property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.